Hi everyone, it's Hannah and welcome to a very improvised video. Usually when I'm about to film vlogs, I know it some days beforehand, but today, Nasi, if you remember him from the second uni vlog, he asked me if I wanted to stay. Well, in fact he said it in the group chat, so I'm not that special. But he asked us if we would like to stay to have lunch together because we're gonna go to a Japanese buffet. So how can I say no to food? It's the love of my life. Anyway, so I said yes and I decided that I would vlog it because, you know, I'm staying after class. Some funny things might happen and I want to remember these days because uni is cool. Do they exploit us? Yes, they do. But it's cool anyway. Am I going to film myself studying for the test I have tomorrow? Yes. Is it a French exam? Yeah, again. This is absolutely amazing. This has been saving my entire uni career. Yeah, I know it's only been 1 year, but honestly, that is so useful. I'm not even a Potterhead. Speaking of, I'm thinking of filming a video talking about Harry Potter because I've never read it. I know, I'm terrible. I've never read it, and in fact, my mum went to the library the other day and I asked her to pick me up this little thing here. I want to film a video on this and my reaction while reading this book because this is iconic and I'm really sad I've never read it. Yeah, you will see my reaction, but not very soon because I have exams until the 30th of June. That's my last exam, so I don't have holidays until July. I'm not suffering at all.
The next day.
I have a groin, Jamie. I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Here. It's so attractive, isn't it? I know. If you want to see my full morning routine, skincare routine, I'm gonna leave it up here. So as you can see, I changed my outfit. Now I'm wearing another dress. I have my French exam in about 30 minutes, but first I have to go to my library's uni because I need to borrow a laptop. The way the borrowing system works has changed, so now it's a lot more digital and modern, which I will show you later. Wish me luck in my exam. I haven't studied much. We have Danny here and he just got some glasses, so we're gonna see him with the glasses.
We have to react that before and the after.
Okay, so this is the before. He looks like a boy, and the after, I've already seen him. He looks like a nerd.
No, that's not true.
Oh my god!
No.
They actually look cute on you. That's annoying. They look cute on you. That's pretty annoying. By the way, I am eating like I always am.
Joder, parezco un pringado, tío.
You are.
No,
I'm
not.
joking. I'm joking. No, but you look cool in the well, not cool. You're cute. That's the word.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my dog.
What? Why do I look so disheveled? What's wrong with me? Anyway, we're about to start class in about 15 minutes, and I just realized I forgot my water bottle at home. This is gonna be horrible for my skin. I need to get hydrated.
2 hours later.
Hi, we are on it. Okay. We are in Gloria's.
Hi,
We're about to buy some books. Why are we going to buy some books?
because it's my cousin's birthday and she wants books, obviously.
Who doesn't want books?
Exactly.
Oh my god, I can't film you. I'm so horrible at this. Anyway, so you didn't get a good glance of my outfit because I changed. Thank you. Lucia Hill just wrote a book. I am astonished. What is this? I literally was looking at it because the cover is so pretty, but what the... I didn't know she wrote. Anyway, she's a very, very talented singer, so go check her out. Oh, I have one of these. I have the first one.
I have 30 of those.
Bruh.
You have a problem.
Nah.
Can we talk about this for a second? I've seen these books right here, and I need to say that I have a review on them. So you better watch it and realize why you don't have to read them and waste your money on them. You're welcome. I literally just got all emotional just by seeing fries in a library. This is not a library, sorry, a bookshop. This made me very happy. Makes no sense here. Oh, these are socks.
¿No te volvías a comprar?
El bouillon anglais.
¿Cómo se llama en inglés?
The Queen's Gambit. I follow you. I don't see it. Maybe because I'm blind, but I don't see it.
1 hour later.
So we've ordered some udon and teriyaki chicken. These are breaded aubergines. Then we have
Creo que os digo eggplant, ¿no? Americano, vale.
that is some other thing.
Banana.
Rice.
That's fried banana, that's fried shrimp, right? And that's chicken.
1 hour later.
I just got back home. I got changed, as you can see, because I was feeling so hard. Not in that sense. Although I am hard in that way too. But that's not the point. Although we really like tight clothes in this household, we also really enjoy comfortable wear and baggy clothes. I was also suffocating, so I'm eating a lemon sorbet. That's how it looks. Oh, and that's a present from my boyfriend. I'll tell you all about it when he comes here. He's supposed to come here on August. Now I have some projects to do. As you can see, I honestly don't have any time to rest. I literally just got back home, got changed, and now I have to do a project. I want to die.
2 hours later.
Okay, so my hair is a freaking mess. And Danny and I have just finished working on our project. I will take a little break because I need it, and afterwards I'm gonna go do a French translation for translation. That's the subject for French translation. So I have to do a French translation for French translation. Yes, it sounds like a tongue twister. Do I recommend you go to uni? I mean, if you're a masochist, you might as well. I dare you to count all the rhetorical questions I've asked during this video and comment the number in the comment section. I'm curious.
A few moments later.
I've been starting my translation for a while. And I'm tired, so I decided that I would spend a little time on Instagram because it's relaxing. Just look at this. Look at this, it's so cute. I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so it will notify you every single time I upload a new video and you don't want to miss it. Bye!